Oh, because your hand just not touching.
Oh.
Then you do that, you don't, okay. Today we are going to show you how to install and use Rise Air, our Oxygrogen machine. The first thing, because this machine is 2000 volts, therefore you must have properly installed the electrical protection devices. The first one is good for you to buy this surge protection plug. This is the first level of protection. If anything goes wrong, it will protect you. You can see the red will turn into black. Then if you want to start, you just press the red button again. Second protection is this extension wire with a good brand like Belkin, Philips, Targus. These are good brands where surge protection. I remember Belkin and Targus, they even had 6,000 to 8,000 ringgit of protection on 3,000 over volts. So the third one is the fuse here. I will show later. There's a little fuse. Now, since I'm here, I will need to take the screw. Where you put the screw? Here. For protection, there's a screw here. Come closer. You can see here like a little drawer. You just take it out. Then the fuse. So anything wrong, the fuse will break and to protect the equipment. In this case, you have 3 levels of protection. Now I put it back. The sharp one is always above. You just open a drawer, put this. Okay. So now you know that you have 3 levels of protection. This is crucial for the safety of this machine. Okay. Off it.